Morning class. Today is Wednesday, 28th April 2021. Our topic is factorization, HCF and LCM. Our today's lecture is about exercise number 4A, page number 53, HCF using long division. You have done this method before. Let us start this method so that you remember the procedure. We will start from part number 1. Only first, third and fourth part of this question are included. We will do only question number 5 today. Part 1 is 300 divided by 3996. Okay students, we will divide it, and for that, small number should be outside as a divisor and bigger number should be inside as a dividend. Now 300 ones are 300. On subtracting we get 9, 9, and then putting down that 6. Still you can see that 300 can divide 996. 309 threes are 900. On subtracting we get 96. Here's the difference begin. Remainder is smaller than the divisor, so just like a game, remainder become divisor and divisor become dividend. Whenever remainder becomes smaller, it will become divisor and the divisor become dividend. Now 96, remaining division is same. We will see in 96 table number closer than 300. Let's try with 3 because 3 nines are 27 and here we have 300. 3 6 are 18. 3 nines are 27 plus 8, 28. So 96 threes are 288. Now let's subtract. It will become 2, it will become 9, and it will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 2 minus 2, nothing. 12. Now again our remainder is smaller than the divisor, so our divisor become dividend. It will become 96. Now 12 eights are 96. Remainder is 0. As remainder is 0, here our division will be completed when we got 0 as a remainder. So HCF of 300 and 3996 is 12, the last divisor, 12, right? So at the end we will write HCF F is equals to 12, our last divisor. Let's see another part. In part number 3, we have 3 terms, 399, 665 and 1463. First of all, we will take the smaller term and the bigger term to make our division easier. 399 divided by 1463. Let's see. 399 threes are 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27, 28, 29. 3 threes are 9, 10, 11. 399. Fours are 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36, 39. 4 threes are 12, 13, 14, 15. 399 fours are 1596, but we have 1463, so we will move towards 3. 399 threes are 1197. Now we will subtract them. It will become 3. It will become 15, and it will become 13. Now 13 minus 7, 6. 15 minus 9, 6. 4 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2. 266. It is smaller than our divisor, so it will become divisor, and 399 become dividend. Now 266 ones are 266 because it is very much close. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Again our remainder become divisor, and this become dividend. 266, 133. Twos are 266. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. On subtracting we get 0 as a remainder. So it means the HCF of 399 and 1463 is 133. Now we will divide that 133 divided by 665. 133 twos are 266. 133 133 threes are 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. 133 fives are 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15 and 116. 5 ones are 5 and 1 6. 665. 133 fives are 665. It is completely divisible by 133. So it means that HCF of 399, 665 and 1463 is 133. Let's see our last part. In our last part, we have four terms: 427, 1159, 1281, 3416. First of all, we will find HCF of these two terms, and their answer will be divided by the third term, and their answer will be divided by the fourth term. Now, first of all, we will divide 427 by 1159. 427 twos are 854. I'm not trying with 3 because I know that 3 fours are 12. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. And 11 minus 3, 11 minus 8, 3. 305. It is smaller than our divisor, so it will become divider. 427, 305, ones are 305. On subtracting 122, 305, twos are 244, 5 minus 4 1, here 10 minus 1 6. Now 61, our remainder become divisor, and 122 become divider. 61, twos are 122. That's all. Remainder is 0. It means the HCF of 427 and 1159 is 61. Now we will divide 61 by 1281. Here 61 divided by 1281. 61 twos are 122. On subtracting we have 8 minus 2 6, 2 minus 2 nothing, 1 minus 1 nothing, putting down that 6. 61 ones are 61. That's all. Remainder is 0. It means that the HCF of our third number 1281 is also 61. Now we will divide this 61 from our last number. 61 divided by 3416. So let's try 61 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 six are 24. 61 into 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 six are 30, 305. 61 into 6, it will become bigger because 6 six are 36, and we need 41. So 61 fives are 305. On subtracting, it will become 3, it will become 11. 11 minus 5 6. 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 0 nothing, putting down that 6. 366. 61 6 are 366. That's all. 0 is remainder. It means that the HCF of 427, 1149, 1281, and 3416 is 61, because 61 is divisible by all the numbers. That's all for today. This is question number 5, part 1, 3, and 4. You will do them neatly on your notebooks. If you have any problem, you can ask. Allah Hafiz.